Hello, I invite you to this short tutorial on revenue and profit analysis, revenue and profit comparison. Okay, I want this to be a very practical session. I don't want to say so much story. Now, some time ago, a certain business owner made a claim that she had a revenue of 1 billion naira in one of her businesses. That is just one, Kulikuli. And so many people went agog. Many people were shouting. Many believed it. A lot of motivational speeches. A lot of dragging. A lot of statements. Me, as an accountant, I kept quiet because I have really seen businesses, and I don't get overwhelmed or pressured when I hear such numbers, because my interest is, okay, you made this revenue. What actually is in your pocket? What actually did you go home with? Okay. So, objective of this small analysis is this one: to help you to switch your attention from just revenue to what are you actually taking home. Okay, that is number two, and to stop so that you stop being pressured when people post, their figures on the internet. Third is for you to understand for you to understand what is actually eating up your profit. Maybe you have this problem of you are selling but you are not seeing the money. Okay, you are selling but you are struggling. This video will open your eyes on why that is happening to you. Okay, so this is my client business that last year she called me to help in arranging her account so that she will have what she will present to a particular body. Okay, so I have to get her bank statement with other records she has here and there in the book and all those stuff. So we were able to get to this, okay, based on what the information she gave me. All right, so though I use Excel because she was not using any software, so we were able to gather some information available to produce this. Though this year she's already automated, she's using a good software to do her business. All right, so look at her total sales. I'm just interested in sales, gross profit, and net profit. Look at her total sales, 17.7. Wow. Now, this is just from January to August, okay? Now, if she has come to maybe September 1 to say, so I started this business, but my revenue grew from this to this, I now made 17 million. Everybody will be shouting. Many people may even want to switch business, okay? Now, look at her total cost, like the cost of production, because she's into production. So I closed the name of the business. I hope you understand. So she's into production, all right? So look at the total cost of goods that she sold, okay? And she has a gross profit of 10.9 million, all right? Look at her gross profit percentage. This is still okay. You have a revenue of this and you're making your profit. So the gross profit is okay. But remember, this is just gross profit. We've not looked at her expenses. Now look at the profit it has. She has loan she's servicing. Look at as at that period, she has paid a total of this amount to service the loan. This was gotten from her bank statement. Alright. Then her prepared rent and other prepared expenses. Okay. Look at it here. Look at it. Prepared rent and other prepared expenses. Total. Verify. This is the figure. Alright. With the assets that we have and information she provided on the assets, we depreciated and we got this. This business has a lot of assets, but they are struggling. Okay, look at her other expenses. All these expenses were derived from the bank statement, because one thing that actually helped us is that every of her financial activities flow through her bank statement. Just few that she didn't capture in the bank statement. So look at the total expenses, total money she spent from her. We saw in the bank statement, even with this one and the prepared rent. Okay, look at just the depreciation here. Now her total expenses from January to August is what? 10.3 million. Now this is someone that had a revenue of 17 million, and a lay person would have just been shouting. But this person from January to August, after all the stress, went home with only 565,619.41. And this is the reality of many business owners in Nigeria. So what is the cause of this? She spends more than her income. Now let's just take a look at this one. In the month of March, she has only 418,300,000 sales recorded and verified. But look at all the money she spent. Then this is depreciation. No depreciation, we just have to derive the depreciation. Now, aside the depreciation, look at it, 1.33 1316. If you might not see depreciation, this is actual money she spent from her bank statement, and she had loss. Look at in the April too. Look at her income. Look at total expenses. You see? So what is actually wrong with this person? When I look at her bank statement and expenses analysis, I was mad. I was shouting at her. She was spending whole lot, though we are actually working on it. Okay? And that is it. This is the profit, but you would have been shouting and dragging and killing yourself because of this. Now, can also be you as a business owner. This could also be you. You are selling, but you are struggling. No village person is taking your money. What is taking your money is in your business. You are spending more than your revenue. Your revenue cannot accommodate your expenses. Okay? In as much as the fact that as your revenue is growing, your cost expenses will be growing, but they shouldn't be on the same frequency. And that is why I'm inviting you to Business Numbers Academy. Please do not miss this opportunity. It's going to be the cheapest academy you have ever heard of. So that if this is your problem, you are making money but you are not seeing the money, come to the academy, pay on time when we open payments, pay on time, and start then to say this is your problem, because we're going to give room for people to state their problem, because it is from your problem that we're going to teach you. It's not like a classroom where we have an outline, we'll be teaching and talking. No, I have not even prepared the slides. It is when you pay, you tell me your problem. It is from there I will now know what to add to the slide. I've not recorded anything. I'm just gathering information. So come to the academy and tell us what actually is wrong with your business, and we will help you to sort it out. You will learn so many amazing things. You will learn how to have your report like this. You will learn how to have your report like this, but it's not going to be on Excel. It's going to be in a normal accounting software. Yeah, we're going to expose you to two software. You will choose based on your business type. Okay, very wonderful. Please, I am inviting you. All right, so that you stop struggling. This is the best. The best gift you can give to your business is to enroll in this academy for you to stop struggling. Thank you so much. See you in the academy.